Hi guys, welcome to System Test 2, and we have more alarms in our paper alarm set. We have a paper silent and reset panel, and we have a fire alarm smoke detector. So, here it is. So, here's the Simflex 4 fire alarm, and we have this multi-alert fire alarm smoke detector. And we have this ADT silent and reset panel. And we have this Simflex pull station with this lift and pull. And we have this wheel lock push button. So first things first, let's pull this one. Alright, ready. Lift, and pull. Here it is. Now let's reset it with the panel. Now the fire alarms are silent. Now let's reset this. Got our key. Now we just need to reset it, and there we go. It's reset. Let's test this wheel lock push button. 3, 2, 1. Off it goes off. Now let's reset it in the panel. Silent. Now let's reset it. That's it. Set this push button. Pull. That's it. Let's test this smoke detector. Let's get some smoke spray. Now we just... Oh, off it goes off. Alright, let's go reset it in the panel. Silent. Now let's reset it. All reset. And that's our system test number 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.